Can you retrieve records from two distinct queries? Hi, I'm Alex, the architect from Backrep, and this is Talking to the Architect, and today we'll be answering Matheus Wolf's question. Matheus asked, can I retrieve records that correspond to the constraints of two distinct queries? Hi Matheus, thank you so much for your question, and yes, you can. All you have to do is to define both of your queries and then choose the main query and use the query.matches query, passing as a parameter the second query. This method will join both queries and retrieve all the records that matches both. All the records that matches one but not the other one will not be retrieved. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. I also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave in the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.